Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can mute all participants in Jitsi Meet. So let's get started. First of all, just hover with your mouse and you'll see the participants tab. So click on this little icon and you'll see the mute all button. But before you click on that one, just click on these three dots and you'll be able to change the settings of mute all button. So right here, you'll be able to allow non-moderators to unmute themselves, start their video, and start screen sharing. So just click X if you don't want to use those. And let's say you want to mute them without unmute option. So just select that and click mute all, and that will mute all the participants. But if you don't want to use that, just remove the tick on mute themselves and click mute all, and as you can see it will say the participants can unmute themselves at any time, and now click mute, and that's how you mute all participants in Jitsi Meet. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.